Good times never last. Time to say bye. Boom.
Cleaning up other people's mess isn't in my job description. You know, Kafka?
Yeah. Where did you send it, Silverwolf?
Some random coordinates, not important. You care about...
Of course not. I'm just amazed at this fancy technique of yours, as usual.
Just a little trick of tampering with the data.
What were you looking at?
Herta's Toys. A catalog featuring the space station.
Like what?
There's this gun. It can rate any creature within its...
Doesn't sound very
Aren't you curious about how much you...
Fine. I guess we can swing by and play with it.
Go down the corridor behind the door.
So that's where the Stellaron is.
That's where we can find out where the Stellar... The central area of the space station is up ahead. There will be lots of Legion Void Rangers there.
Okay. This won't take long.
Time for a buzz. This combat needs optimizing. At this speed, too slow.